I think that. So we'll be able to really keep fish alive. Oh! All right. Oh, he's in. That's a tank. That's a tank. Peacock bass, little baby, but beautiful colors. There's only a few short weeks left in this season, boys and girls, and there's a few wild card games to look forward to. Today's video is of course sponsored by DraftKings, and we've been working with them for years now. It truthfully makes watching sports a heck of a lot more fun. They're offering all new customers that bet just $5 on any wager, $200 in bonus bets. Y'all have heard me say this before. You literally bet $5, you get $200 in bonus bets instantly. Use your bonus bets on a same game parlay and get an even bigger payout if it hits. Not only that, but if you just love and you have a thrill for live betting, you could literally bet live on in-progress games and watch it all as it happens. Use my code down below. That is Paul Cuffaro, P-A-U-L-C-U-F-F-A-R-O. The link is down below. Bet just $5 on any wager and $200 in bonus bets for all you new customers out there instantly. Thank you so much, DraftKings, for sponsoring today's video. We love you over here at the Cuffaro fam, and I hope to see you on the other side. Who's gonna earn that crown?
It's okay, you can go now.
Okay, what is going on, bros? Welcome back to another video. Today, all the animals are over there relaxing and vibing. It is beautiful out. 1 second. Hey Siri, what is the temperature outside?
It's 62 degrees outside.
I mean, that's impeccable. 62 degrees. Now they say peacock bass don't eat in below 66 degree weather, or at least water temps lower than 66.
We're gonna prove them wrong.
We're gonna prove them wrong today. This is where we prove the internet wrong, or not, and this whole video flops, and you maybe you will see it regardless, so I'm not spoiling anything. Hopefully we catch some peacock bass, some largemouth bass, and honestly, anything, even the leftover bait, we're gonna take back to our pond in the backyard. This pond, thousands of gallons, and it has become something so beautiful over the last week. In my recent video doing maintenance, if you haven't watched the maintenance video and you're curious on how much it takes just to take care of this entire farm, go watch that video after this one, of course. But this right here looks amazing. The water is crystal clear. Our weeds are cut back. If you didn't see the video, I literally was in this pond. That's us. The weeds are cut back. This is literally crystal clear. You can see to the very bottom in the middle.
Like, that's crazy. It's never looked
insane.
like
There's not a single thing in here other than a red tail and 300 goldfish. So if you've been watching long enough, you know everything that's in here. You've seen it all. The red tail go in. You've seen the goldfish go in. You've also seen how dirty it was and now how clean it is. Hello, kitty kitty. I pump this consistently all day long, every single day, 24/7 with well water. It is, yeah, it's not cheap to do, but I don't care because the water is clear, crystal clear, and I love it. How can we show them an example of how clear this is? Do you see the leaf at the bottom out there? It is so clear.
Should I jump in there?
Just jump in.
Should I jump in?
Just jump in. Brenton, I'm trying to give you guys an example of just how clear it is, other than underwater footage, but look at how clear that. What are you doing with your feet? I mean, you can see the pipe down there.
Look at that. That's crazy.
That is insane.
It's never looked like this, by the way. Like, not even close. So
Never.
Dude, that water, that's toasty.
I know.
Wow.
So I tell people, well water is pumped obviously from the ground at 72 degrees year round, no matter what the temperature is outside. That water coming out is 72 degrees. Or sometimes even warmer.
Yeah,
sometimes even warmer.
That's nice water right there.
So the water stays warm. We should move all of my predatory fish into here.
Brother.
We will be able to see them all.
Oh my, that would be the most epic thing. They would have so much, it would be like a natural ecosystem.
If they would go under the weeds and stuff. If you think we should do that, all the fish from the Amazon corner into here, it's deep enough, it's big enough.
23,120 likes.
That's almost how much this property cost me to run. It almost is. And we'd be able to hand fill the red tails right here.
Dude, this is what needs to happen. That needs to happen. I don't even think we need a light goal. I think it just needs to happen regardless.
Like I said, not many fish in here. It's time to stock this thing up, and today's goal is to go fishing and catch some peacocks, some largemouth, or whatever the heck we catch.
Old school stuff.
This is old school. It's coming home for the pond. So enjoy. Let's hit the road. We got like 2 hours down south. We also need to make a couple pit stops before so. We are here at Walmart, and first things first, I need a cooler to transport the fish. Don't know which one I'm gonna get. There's a lot of options, but I lost mine. I don't know where it went. Need another one. That, hooks, aerators. We're just getting a bunch of stuff to make this possible. These are probably not cheap.
Oh my, $149. I could custom make my own cooler for a quarter of that price.
We need to go to the bins. We're not buying a cooler. Oh yeah. think this is it. Oh, I think that would fit perfectly. And then we can put everything inside of here. I like it.
I like it.
I like it. You missed. Last but not least, oh, Brenton, a live well. Like a legit live well pump.
Cool. You know what the new truck has? It has a place to plug that in. Oh no, it doesn't.
This is a battery. We can just get a battery. This is 10 times better. And it'll keep our fish, and if we ever do any further videos, we can use this again. Regardless, we need a mini mama for our bait.
Yeah, that is what we like to see.
That's what we're talking about.
Garden. I knew lawn. Oh, those are.
Nope, this is it right here.
Back in the day, you used to.
Perfect.
You used to try and like ever do like motor and like try and start a go-kart and everything. Everyone would get these lawn and garden ever starts, and then they would die after like 30 minutes, and it was. Took the cheap route.
30 minutes is long enough to keep us alive.
Exactly.
This thing is gonna crank fish in this tub for us, and then this is gonna keep our bait alive in our bucket. We're good to go. Let's check out. It's been ages since I've been back at this lake right here behind me. So many videos have been filmed here over the last 12, 13 years of making YouTube videos. We've got our cast nets, they're microscopic. Big shout out to Amazon wishlist gifters that gift us these cast nets because we use them so much. But it's been a while since we've been back at this spot, and we're looking for bait fish. We need to get any sort of bait fish, cichlid, tilapia of some sort, for us to bring over to the Peacock fishing spot. We need bait fish. So that's what we're doing today, and I got the little chesty. So let's go. What do you think, Brenton?
I don't even know how you catch a fish with one of these. Not good.
That's not good at all, because we need like 100 baits. You wonder why I stopped making fishing content? This is why, folks. There is nothing to catch. So we're going to buy some instead.
Welcome.
Look at that big old guy.
Wow.
Big old koi fish. Wow. There we go, folks. Nice. Loading up on live bait. Couldn't catch any for the life of us. Now, although shiners aren't as hardy as the cichlids and tilapia are, they'll still work. They'll catch fish, hopefully. We hope to catch fish. That's why it's called fishing, not catching, huh? Oh, yeah.
18 pounds right there.
He knows how to get a workout in, even at the bait and tackle shop. Alrighty, folks. We just met the owner there. Pretty cool. Guy just started that. Yeah. Just opened it up.
Competition bait and tackle.
Competition bait and tackle. Yeah. Brand new. He said the place was a mess and he just turned it all around. So we love business owners. Big shout out to them. Competition bait and tackle here in Hollywood. I believe that's where we are. We're somewhere down south in Florida. Got our shiners though, and it's officially time to fish. Alrighty, we're here at our spot where we're fishing. Our tub it's got our bait in it. Not only our bait, but our filter that is all set up. This thing is sick. There we go. Filling up. Hopefully we catch some fish today so we can put them in here, and with this filtration, it's actually a sponge filter with even more flow. So we'll be able to really keep fish alive. We can keep like a couple peacock in here. Big old tub. This is awesome. Little aerator going over here. Let's chesty up and get to fishing. Oh yeah, there we go. Nice bait that wants to swim a little. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh, got a peacock. Just like, oh, he spit it. He spit it. See what I'm saying, fellas? Just like that, though. Oh, he ate it again. Oh, he spit it again. Oh. Come on. Oh. 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 There we go, baby. And hooked it in the perfect spot. Let's get him in the sun so you can see his beautiful colors. Beautiful fish. Now, it's only right and it's good luck when you release the first one you catch. So. Oh, getting action right here, boys. Getting action. Oh. Look how many are right there, dude. Do you see how many are sitting right there, bro? There's so many on that thing right there.
No, but
check me out.
Yeah.
Oh no.
That's the most odd fight I've ever had in my life. But that's another one. Oh my God, that one's so unhealthy, it's actually insane. This guy's unbelievably skinny, so what I'm gonna do is give him a shiner. You better swallow that thing, dude.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, we got one. Dude, look how skinny they are. They're all so tiny and skinny. All right, well, I gave him my shiner. You can see him eating it already. See you, buddy. So the shiners are actually doing the trick. I didn't think they were gonna do the trick, but they're doing it. Check me out. 3, 2, 1. It's supposed to only take 3 seconds. That's what I was told.
Oh, got him.
Smoked that thing.
Oh! Oh! Largemouth.
Perfect. That's exactly what we wanted. That's literally what we were in this for any species we can catch.
And that's a mama.
And that's a mama right there. Largemouth bass coming home to the pond. This guy will be easily able to be fed off of the dock and literally watch him eat and grow because he's like the perfect size. Look at that little chunk. He's nice and thick. We wanted fish like this. Let's go put him in the house. Put him in the cooler to go to the house.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, you home slice. He's gonna just destroy all the shiners in there. Oh, check that out.
No.
Good cast out there behind the lilies.
How about I not check that out?
Good cast out there behind the lilies. There's no way. What? He ate the eyeball out of this. Oh, dude's still alive. What do you got? Peacock!
A better one.
Yeah, that's a nice little thick one.
Yeah.
That one's coming home.
That one's coming home with us.
Yeah, peacock bass, baby. This is our number 4 peacock and 1 largemouth in 1 spot. Look at that peacock.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, it's all. Let me see your shirt. Yeah, we got another fish.
All right. Oh, he's in.
This is fun. Let's keep fishing. All right, Brenton, show him how it's done. Hits the water.
Swims to the side. He sees him from under the pad. He's looking at him. He's like, oh, good goodness, food.
He's like this. Looks.
Oh, better one.
That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good fish. Oh my God, dude.
That's a tank.
That's a tank.
That's a tank. That's a tank.
You gotta get him. You gotta get him.
Brenton, get him up.
In the Amazon.
Get him up, Brenton. That's a freaking 4-pound peacock, dude. It came up. Ate that thing. Wow, that's a good fish, Brenton.
Oh,
yeah.
that's a fat, juicy mama.
That's the one. That's what we're looking for right
Dude,
there,
look,
folks.
fell right out.
That's
the old school
what we're looking
stuff we
for.
used to do. That is so sick. Oh, what a beautiful fish.
Thick fish, too.
So good for the pond.
Nice and thick. Oh, I love stealing people's fish. Listen,
Gosh,
these are invasive, okay?
This thing's gonna get so big in your pond.
I know. I can't wait to feed them off the dock. All right. One of the biggest things when it comes to fishing is obviously, and we share this much on this channel, but the respect for the fish. You gotta respect the fish, just like we've done many times today, and eventually it comes back to you, you know what I mean? Teach a man how to fish, he'll eat for a lifetime. But yeah, we got a couple fish. We've got a largemouth and 2 peacock. I think that's pretty much solid. What we're gonna do is stuff off camera, just fill this tub up with some fresh water, and we'll be good to head home. Alrighty, folks, as you can tell, hey Brendan.
Hey.
We're back home. The pond is looking good. It's ready for us. It's dusk, so we gotta get these fish in before it gets dark. Guys, listen, this was probably the best thing we've ever bought. That little pump in it was absolutely, look, it's clear. It filtered the water inside the tub. I told you, it's a sponge filter. Stop moving. Look at all the stuff it collected. It's a sponge filter, bro, so it cleans the live well. That's insane. That's the best, that's the greatest $27. Not sponsored. That is an amazing product. Gosh, dude, that peacock's massive, Brenton.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna let Brenton do the honors of putting he named it Monticello, the peacock, inside the pond. Let me see it one more time, Brenton.
Monticello?
Yeah.
There he is.
Look at the pure beauty of that fish. Very, very pretty. All right, let's put him in.
Okay.
Into the crystal clear water. Oh, hi, Garfield. All right, buddy. Oh. He's not even moving. What are you doing? Where you going, Monticello?
There he is. That's Monticello.
See you later. He's gone. The biggest pea in the pond. Our other 2 fish, check them out. Look at these guys. We have a lot of shiners too, which is really cool because we're gonna end up just putting this whole school of shiners in here along with our goldfish. So we have quite amount of fish here going in today. Oh, wow, bass does not want to be grabbed. Look at the colors of this largemouth.
Wow, would you look at that?
Now I will say, fellas, in the comments down below, name this largemouth. He is the only largemouth in this pond out here. So we're gonna need a good name for Mr. Not Thump. We already have a Thump. Unless we move our fish over, then he'll be the second largemouth.
Then he'll be a crump.
But he'll always be the first. name our largemouth down below. This is a real thickum. Like
Lump.
Thick 'em. Alrighty. Yep. Oh, see you later, bud. Look at him, there he goes. Straight into the depths, all the way out there, into the middle. Hi, Mia. Hey, Mia. 2 new fish, big old peacock and a largemouth bass. Now we have 1 more, baby smaller peacock.
Are we gonna happen to put all of the shiners in?
Yes.
Nice. Dude, this is so much fun. All right, another peacock.
Look at this little peacock. Little peacock bass. These are just such pretty fish.
Wow.
Look at the colors on that thing. All right, the 3rd fish going in, a nice peacock bass. Little baby, but beautiful colors. Wow. I'm not gonna lie, I think I got him on it. Yeah, there he is. I really don't know where he went, but he's down there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at all these shiners. Yeah. So not only do we get 2 peacocks and a largemouth, got a bunch of shiners going in too.
One of these days you'll be able to do that and it'll be like, yeah, Monticello will be.
Monticello, that red tail's probably gonna pipe those things later.
Yeah.
Like actually destroy them.
Yeah.
Look how small that guy is. That's a minnow, that's not even a shiner. Some more shiners and minnows going in. And those will all find each other and school up just like the goldfish. How long will they last now that we have 2 peacocks and a bass in here and a red tail? Probably not too long. But fellas, this is my new backyard pond, and I say new because it's not the way it was before. It's crystal clear. It's about 4.5 to 5 feet deep. The weeds are cut back. We've got some algae in the back. Lots of live plants, aquatic plants growing along the sides. This is gonna be amazing. And I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching up to this point of the video if you have made it this far. It's been a while since we fished. So me and Brenton behind the camera here got out and did some fishing. Super excited, always fun to do that. If you enjoy the fishing stuff, comment where we should go fishing next. Like Australia for GTs?
Please, I've been dying to do this for so long.
We have a lot of really cool plans for 2025, and I think it's gonna be a great year. Actually, I know it's gonna be a great year. Thanks for being here. Let's get the last shiner in here to end the video. What is his name, Brenton? Rip me a good one.
Thornelius.
There it is, Thornelius. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.